The major problem that many affiliate marketers face is where to get the initial traffic that will make them their first sales. So in this video, I'm going to show you one place where you can get a ton of traffic that is going to service your affiliate links, and definitely sales are going to come from there. Now this traffic source is Quora.com, and I'm going to show you that Quora has a lot of traffic. If you go to similarweb.com, which is a website that tells you the amount of traffic that any certain website gets per month, and you click Quora.com, SimilarWeb shows you that in the past month, Quora has gotten 577 million views. So Quora has a lot of traffic. It is a site where people can come and ask questions, and you can go there and provide answers. The Quora algorithm is very advanced, so any answer you provide on Quora is going to push it out to people that ask those questions. And if somebody is asking, how do I lose weight, and you provide an answer, trust me, whatever you write, the person is going to listen to you. That is the beauty of Quora. So the first thing you want to do, even before you go to Quora, is to head over to where you can get products to promote. And one such place is Clickbank. Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace where vendors drop their products, and then affiliate marketers like you and I go and pick those products and sell and make affiliate commissions. Okay, so if you want to promote products on Clickbank, the first thing you want to do is to click this search icon, and it's going to sort out all the products on Clickbank according to something called gravity. Now gravity is the number of people that have made at least one sale in the last 30 days. Now this product that is ranking number one at this point in time, of course the products that rank number one change as time goes on. This product has a gravity of 624.1, which means that at least 624 people have made at least one sale in the last 30 days. Now this is just one way to pick a product to promote on Clickbank. I have a full video that explains exactly how you can go about selecting the best products to promote on Clickbank. I'm going to link that video in the card above, and it's also going to be in the description box below, so be sure to check that video out after watching this video. For this video, we're going to assume that we're promoting this product that is ranking number one, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So what you want to do is to click this promote button here. When you click the promote button, it's going to open another window for you. You're not going to see the window right now because my screen recorder only records my browser window. Okay, so you're not seeing the window, but I promise you I'm seeing the other window. I have generated my affiliate link, I have copied it, and to show you guys that I've copied it, I'm going to open a new tab right now and paste that link, and there, this is my affiliate link. Okay, but you don't want to go promoting this link because it's a little bit too long and it looks scary. So you want to use a site that's called bit.ly. Just come over to bit.ly, create an account if you do not have an account yet. If you already have an account, just log in and go to this place that says create. Touch this arrow that goes down and click link, and then it will show you this box. Paste in your long link, and it's going to shorten it for you. Another thing you can do is that you can customize this back half. You can call it Okinawa official website or something of that nature. This back half customization has already been taken, but let us add 001 for instance and see if that's also been taken. Okay, it has not yet been taken. So this is our link. Oops, we forgot to customize the name of the link, but I'm sure this back half will tell you that this is the product that we're promoting. But if you want to customize the name, just click here that says edit, and you can come here and customize the name of the link. Don't worry, this name doesn't really matter. It's only you that is seeing the name, so you can call it whatever you want to call it. You can call it my first Clickbank sale or whatever. You can call it the name of the product. It doesn't matter. The idea is that this name, it is just you that is going to see it. That is the idea. So this is the link. We're going to copy this link. Now this link is the one that we're going to promote. So now the question is, how do you promote this link? This video is one of the videos in an affiliate marketing mini course that I'm creating on this channel. So there are tons of ways to promote your affiliate links. They are already on the videos on this channel inside the playlist. Obviously the link to the playlist is going to be in the description box. So after watching this video, make sure you go and watch the other videos in the playlist because all these videos are interconnected. In those videos, I explain other methods of promoting these products, and you need to have done all that before you get to use Quora. Remember, I told you Quora is just where you generate the traffic that you push to the other sources. So what are those other sources? Those other sources include medium.com. Those other sources include linkedin.com. They include Facebook. They include your own blog or a YouTube channel. You need to create really big content on all these different platforms, or pick one. Don't scatter your energy, just pick one. If you're picking YouTube, stick to YouTube. If you're picking Medium or LinkedIn, or you decide to open your own blog, just stick to one, okay? And after you have popped that content to that platform, the next thing you want to do is to generate traffic to that platform, and that is exactly what Quora does for you. And one thing you need to know is that answers on Quora actually rank on Google. Okay, so if you provide answers to questions on Quora, these answers are going to rank on Google, and they rank really quickly. So we're going to assume that you have written an article on Medium, or you have written an article on LinkedIn, or you have created a video on YouTube. Please go ahead and watch the video on creating articles on Medium. It will be in the affiliate marketing playlist, which you will see somewhere in the description box of this video. So after you have created that article, you have the link to the article, okay? Or you have created the article on your blog and you have the link to the article. Or you have created a video on your YouTube channel and you have the link to the video. Now the next thing you want to do is come over to Quora and search Okinawa flat belly tonic. So we come here and we search Okinawa flat belly tonic. Okay, so you see this question: what is Okinawa flat belly tonic? This is a genuine person asking a genuine question. This person wants to know what this product is. This person asking, does the Okinawa flat belly tonic weight loss really work? Okay, this person is actually asking a very relevant question. A person really wants to know. He's asking the question. This person is asking for customer reviews. This person is saying, what are your opinions about Okinawa flat belly tonic? This and that question. This person is saying, Okinawa flat belly tonic review. Okinawa flat belly tonic. This person is also asking another question. So a lot of people are asking questions about Okinawa. They want to know if it works. So what you want to do is to come here and answer all these questions. You want to go ahead and answer every single question here. Okay, so you can click this. Okay, it will open. Now 12 people are following this question. 12 people are following this question. What this means is that if you provide an answer to this question, your answer is going to be sent to these 12 people. And you can imagine 12 people are following this question and there are 16 answers already. Just look at this here. There are 16 answers available and only 12 people are following this question. The number of answers have already outweighed the number of people asking the question. So you can see that the hustle and the grind is real. A lot of people really want to make money. Now what you want to do is that you do not want to provide a very long answer. It's not necessary on Quora. You just want to provide a short answer and then you direct them to your main article. You don't want to put your affiliate link in your Quora answer because Quora frowns at that. Quora is going to ban your account and you don't want that. So what you want to do is to give them a tip of the iceberg and then send them to your YouTube video or send them to your article on Medium or on LinkedIn. That's exactly what you want. So if you click answer here, it's going to bring out where you can write your answer. So you just type in your answer and then you can now link. You can link to your YouTube video. If you type youtube.com for instance / whatever is your video thing, okay, you can link, you can highlight this and then you can link this. Okay, you can enter the URL where you want it to go to. You want this to go to youtube.com / whatever is your video URL. Okay, and once you add, this is going to turn to a link. Anytime somebody clicks this, it's going to take the person to that YouTube video. Okay, so that way Quora is not going to ban your account because YouTube is accepted on Quora. Okay, so the Medium is also accepted on Quora. It's just affiliate links that are not accepted on Quora. So this is exactly what you need to do. When you are done, you go ahead and publish the answer, but I do not want to publish this answer because I just typed rubbish. There's nothing here. So go ahead and answer all the questions on Okinawa flat belly tonic. Answer every single question you can find on Quora on Okinawa. The more questions you answer, the better. Remember, affiliate marketing is a game of numbers. The more content you put out there, the more you try, the more you increase your chances of success. Okay, now we know that Okinawa flat belly tonic is a weight loss supplement, so you want to also search how to lose weight. because you know that anybody that's searching how to lose weight, Okinawa can solve the person's problem. So this person is asking, what are the best ways to lose weight? So it's asking, what are some of the easy tricks to lose weight? So I'm saying, how can I lose weight quickly? How do I motivate myself to lose weight? How do I lose weight without doing exercise? There are thousands of questions on how to lose weight, and all these questions can somehow, in one way or the other, be tied to Okinawa flat belly tonic. Okay, they can all be tied to it. So this one that says, what are the best ways to lose weight? This one is a very relevant question for the kind of product we're trying to promote. So you see that 9,500 people are following this question. What are the best ways to lose weight? 9,500 people are following this question. What this means is that if we provide an answer now, this answer is going to be sent, it's going to be emailed to 9,500 people. Okay, so there are 100 plus answers, but that doesn't matter. There's enough affiliate sales to go around. 100 plus answers, 9.5 thousand followers of the question. You have a very good chance. Okay, you have a very good chance. So what you need to do is to provide answers on the best ways to lose weight, and then recommend that they go and watch your YouTube video on how to lose weight, or how Okinawa can help them lose weight. Okay, you link them to your YouTube video, or to your article on Medium, or to your article on LinkedIn, or to the article on your blog. So Quora over time is going to generate you the traffic that will get you your initial sales. Quora is a very powerful website. You definitely want to use Quora. So go ahead, like this place, go ahead and answer all these questions. Answer all the questions on Okinawa flat belly tonic, and also answer all the questions on weight loss, how to lose weight. That is, of course, we're assuming that this is the category of products that you want to promote. Okay, so do that, and I assure you, you're going to make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. Leave me a like if you got some value from this video. Leave me a dislike if you didn't get any value, and also let me know in the comment section how I can improve my videos. Check out the other videos in this affiliate marketing playlist. They're going to appear right now on the left and on the right of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.